Well, we're starting to get the woodshed filled up, guys. That's a decent stack of wood in there. We've got some hangers sitting up in this tree. Welcome everyone. Today's the day. We're going to get this big guy out of the sky, making some firewood, and making some milling lumber for the chainsaw mill. And this guy's 21 inches across, and it doesn't really matter which direction it falls. It's not going to hurt anything, but I don't want to have to fight with it if we don't get it to drop all the way down. So if it hangs into another one of these trees, this is going to be a problem for something this size. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. Better wedge it up. That is a nice log. Wow. That fell absolutely perfect. And it dropped right to the side of that hickory tree, to the left-hand side of it, and absolutely right in where we needed it. About 20 inches, 22 inches across. And I was thinking, that is 24 feet to this knot right here. And standing on the ground to that point is where it looked like it started to bend out. I mean, what a log. Look at that. I'll tell you. There's going to be a lot of firewood right here. And that's a good thing. Let's start cutting it up. A tree this size, I really did hate to cut it down, but we had to. It was going to fall over sooner or later, and we can use it. Back to the end of that. That was a nice sized tree. There's not a hollow spot in that tree. All the way up through. Figured the top was going to hollow out on us, but it didn't. And actually there was still some heartwood left in this tree up here on the top. We've got a nice load of firewood we're going to take up to the woodshed. Now the Kawasaki's turn. Got it moving. Let me chalk this other end. I don't want it rolling up the hill on me. See if we can get this guy to turn. Spider webs everywhere. Okay. Wow, that thing is heavy. Give it a little room to air as well. Dry out a little bit. And that is definitely going to make some nice material. We're right over 20 inches there. Now, getting this thing lifted up on the bench, I think I'm going to use this tree and just use the winch from the Mule. The Mule works fabulous for this. And I am looking forward to milling some of this material, and then we got to figure out what we're going to build with it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This has been a project here. This is a big tree, and I'm glad it's down. I no longer have to worry about branches falling out of it, specifically if we're back here walking or trail riding. And we're going to be able to utilize every bit of the log. And there's not a trailer load of brush left there from the cleanup. So it is nice to be able to get something like this down and actually be able to use it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Maybe it's going to cool down a little bit. A couple of days out from October and we're 94 degrees today.